Growing up, my family has always been involved in agriculture. Although they don't produce commercially, they've always grown to sustain themselves. And as I entered university, my interests were primarily in marine biology. But returning home to Guam during COVID and staying with my family kind of rekindled that interest in plant science. And when I returned to my studies, I transitioned into plant research, hoping that eventually this would be something that would be meaningful to me long term. I went to the States to pursue my undergraduate and master's degree at Stanford University, where I completed my studies in biology with a focus in plant biology. I'd always heard about navigating home through colleagues, friends, and family members, because I try to retain a connection between the island, coming as frequently as I can. And I think this was the perfect time to come do work, because I think there's a huge emphasis on sustainability and purpose behind what you're cultivating for and how you do it. I decided that it's in my best interest to reconnect with the agricultural practices that we have here in the islands.